Today, we are going to discuss how to install the Jenkins in any of the Mac. Okay, all you need to just need to follow the simple steps to install the Jenkins and starting the Jenkins as service. So then, you need to do say some initial setup when you are starting the Jenkins for the first time, and so we'll see how to stop the service, how to stop, and how to start the Jenkins as a service. Okay, let's go ahead and install the Jenkins. For initially you need to run some simple command brew install Jenkins latest. So what it does is it will download the latest version of the Jenkins for you. So otherwise, if you want to run any specific version, you can mention the version here, 1.1 something like that. But I'm going to download the latest version. So just if you need to hit the just command, so it will connect to the jenkins.io and download the latest WAV file for you, and it saves in your user local directory. It takes some time to download the WAR file. So the latest version of current Jenkins is 2.2.2.2.2.1. It is going to download the WAR file, and so then it is going to extract that WAR file and make it ready for you. So now you need to run the Jenkins as the service. So how do you need to run these? Okay, so you just need to execute the commands: do services start jenkins-lts. So what it does is it automatically starts your Jenkins as a service. So then you can log into your browser and so open the Jenkins. So the by default the Jenkins will use 8080 port when it is running. Okay, so let me launch my browser and log into the Jenkins localhost. So it will be 8080. Okay, so when it is doing initial setups, you just need to enter the password which is in this path. Okay, I'm going to get the password. So this is my initial password. So after that, what you can do, so you can just set up your customized password. I don't want to save that password, so for the initial time, so the Jenkins is going to ask you does it needs to install suggested plugins, or so you can select some of the plugins for you. So but for now, I'm going to select install suggested plugins. Later, so whenever you want, so you can go ahead and select the plugins whatever that you want. But for now, I'm going to install the suggested plugins. So it is going to take some time, and so once it installs all these plugins, so it is going to restart the Jenkins, and so then be it will so then you will be able to log into the Jenkins. Okay, so once the installation is done, so what you can do, so you can create some username and password, and so then you can create it as a admin user. So then you will be able to log into the Jenkins. So here you can see what are the plugins that it is being installed. It is going to take couple of minutes. Let's wait for the time. Meanwhile, let me explain if it is Windows, so Mac is simple. So if it is Windows, so all you need to do you just you can go to the jenkins.io. Click on download. So it will ask you to what is your it will ask you to select what is your OS operating system. Okay, so it will download the jenkins.zip. So then what you can do is so you can just extract the service, extract the zip, and run it as the war file. Let me download it someplace. It downloads the files in. We just need to move the. I'm just moving into the other directory. Okay, so it is going to download the MSI file. So that one. So if you install this MSI file in Windows, so the Jenkins will run as a service. And again, like, so once it started as a service, the same step you need to follow. Like, so you just need to launch the browser, RAM authentication, that should be fine. And so let me click on that, like, so continue. So here you can go ahead and create, like, so username. Like, so what is the username that you want to create? I want to give my first name, give some password, give your email ID. So that is not, these are all optional, and the first name and last name are optional, but these three are like mandatory. Save and continue. So where if you want to change your Jenkins URL, you can change it here. So, but I'm not going to change that. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So then your Jenkins will be ready for you to use. Even like, so when you're running it as a Windows, you just need to execute this command. So you just need to execute this MSF file again. So once the file is getting installed, so then in Windows it will start as a Jenkins as a service. Then you can log into your browser and so do this initial setup. Okay, and so now my Jenkins is started as a service, and suppose if I want to stop this, as I don't want to run this Jenkins for a couple of times, I don't want to run the Jenkins always. So if I want to stop the service, like, so all you need to do is, like, so you just need to execute Jenkins stop Jenkins-lts. Let me check the command. So what is that services you need to use? It is going to take some time just to stop the service. Now if you come to your browser and see, like, so if you retry it, so it will not be, the Jenkins service will stop. And if you want to start it again, so all you need to do is, like, so you just need to execute the same command, start Jenkins. Yeah, then Jenkins has successfully started. If I refresh my browser, it's going to take some time. So now you can log in with your username and password, so which you have created. Okay, yeah, so that's all for the today's session. Like, so maybe, like, so I'll keep posting some of the videos. And so thank you for the watching. Thank you, have a nice day.